Hello everyone, welcome to Droid Liver channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to block a number or a contact on your iPhone. Now if you want to block a number that has recently called you, then all you have to do is open your phone app and then go to recents and then find the number that you want to block and then tap on the little eye icon right next to it and then scroll all the way down, and here you can see the option block this caller. Now all you have to do is just tap here and then tap on block contact, and we have just blocked that contact or that number. Now if you want to block a number that is on your contact list, then all you have to do is go to your contacts, find that number and then tap on that number and then scroll all the way down, and here you can see the block option. Now just tap on block this caller and then tap on block contact, and we have blocked that contact as well. Now if you want to unblock any of those numbers or the contact that you have blocked, then all you have to do is go to your settings app and then scroll down and then go to your phone app. Now from here scroll down again and then tap on blocked contacts. Now all you have to do is just tap on edit and then tap on this red minus icon and then tap on unblock, and that way you can unblock a number from your blocked list. And once you're done, just tap on done, and that is how you can block a number or a contact on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.